Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 Smart Screen can't be reached right now. Click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Windows Security. Click App and Browser Control. Click Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Turn off Check Apps and Files. Turn off Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge. Turn off potentially unwanted app blocking. Turn off Smart Screen for Microsoft Store apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.